Hello everyone, I'm Shideh Taliban, Community Librarian at the North Vancouver City Library. Are you interested in watching free movies, TV series, or documentaries from 85 different countries from home? If yes, let's learn about IndieFlix today. If you go to our website, nvcl.ca, click on Research and Learn, go to Online Resources A to Z, and click on I in order to get to IndieFlix. You see that you are required to create an RB Digital account with your library card and email address if this is the first time that you're using it. Click on Access Now. You'll be prompted to this page to create a new account. Enter your library card number. Make sure that you enter your barcode without any space. Click on Next. And here you're asked to enter your first name, last name, your email address, confirm the email address, create a password, and confirm the password. Then click on Create Account. You'll be prompted to this page when you can see that it says like welcome with your name. And then go to Browse Films, and there you go. You can access more than 7,000 movies from different countries. You can browse, you can search. Enjoy!